20 ways to take care of your kidney. Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel, Brightest Life. Enjoy watching. Taking care of your kidneys is essential for maintaining overall health and preventing kidney disease. Here are 20 ways you can promote kidney health. 1. Stay hydrated. Drink an adequate amount of water throughout the day to help flush toxins out of your system. 2. Eat a healthy diet. Consume a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. 3. Limit salt intake. Reduce your sodium intake to maintain healthy blood pressure and prevent kidney damage. 4. Control blood sugar. If you have diabetes, manage your blood sugar levels to prevent kidney complications. 5. Maintain a healthy weight. Aim for a healthy weight through regular exercise and a balanced diet to reduce the risk of kidney disease. 6. Exercise regularly. Engage in physical activity to improve overall health, promote proper blood circulation, and support kidney function. 7. Quit smoking. Smoking can damage blood vessels and decrease kidney function. Quitting smoking promotes kidney health. 8. Limit alcohol consumption. Excessive alcohol consumption can lead to kidney damage. Limit your intake to moderate levels or avoid it altogether. 9. Avoid over-the-counter medications. Overuse of non-prescription pain medications such as NSAIDs, ibuprofen, aspirin, can harm your kidneys. Follow dosage instructions and consult a doctor if needed. 10. Monitor blood pressure. High blood pressure is a leading cause of kidney disease. Regularly monitor your blood pressure and take steps to keep it within a healthy range. 11. Get regular checkups. Schedule regular checkups with your healthcare provider to monitor kidney function and detect any potential issues early. 12. Manage chronic conditions. If you have conditions like high blood pressure or diabetes, work with your healthcare team to manage them effectively. 13. Avoid dehydration. Stay hydrated, especially during hot weather or when exercising, to prevent dehydration and strain on your kidneys. 14. Limit caffeine and soda. Excessive caffeine and soda intake can contribute to dehydration and may increase the risk of kidney stones. 15. Avoid excessive protein. Consuming excessive amounts of protein can strain the kidneys. Follow a balanced diet and consult a healthcare professional for specific recommendations. 16. Practice safe medication usage. Follow medication instructions carefully, and inform your healthcare provider of any prescription or over-the-counter medications you're taking. 17. Avoid kidney toxins. Minimize exposure to substances that can damage the kidneys, such as certain chemicals, heavy metals, and toxins. 18. Practice proper hygiene. Wash your hands regularly to reduce the risk of infections that can affect your kidneys. 19. Manage stress. Chronic stress can impact overall health, including kidney function. Implement stress management techniques like exercise, meditation, or hobbies. 20. Educate yourself. Stay informed about kidney health, symptoms of kidney disease, and risk factors to take proactive steps in maintaining your kidney health. Remember, these tips are general guidelines. If you have specific concerns about your kidneys or any medical condition, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Brightest Life will be happy for your generous comments on our videos. Till next time.